This is Random Day. Say hi to the camera, Rich.
I'm gonna turn it to my favorite song. By the way, this is Simeon Mobile Disco, and it's an incredible city. I'm gonna roll up the window because I know you can't hear me.
Watch out.
Rachel drives like a demon. Hey, you gotta roll your window up so they can hear it too. Huh? Fast forward to my, I'm gonna skip to my favorite song. Let everybody hear it. Okay, I'll check back when you guys later.
Bye.